If you're struggling to gain weight and build muscle, you're not alone. Many people find it difficult to pack on the pounds and get those gains they've been working so hard for in the gym. But what if I told you that the secret to bulking up isn't just about lifting heavier weights? It's also about what you're putting on your plate. Hey everyone, welcome back to Dr. Eats. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful foods that can help you quickly gain weight and build muscle. These foods are not only calorie-dense, but also packed with the nutrients your body needs to fuel your workouts and promote muscle growth. Let's dive right in. Starting with number 5 on our list, whole milk. Whole milk is an excellent source of high-quality protein, fats, and carbohydrates, all essential for gaining weight and muscle. The protein in milk is rich in casein and whey, both of which are great for muscle repair and growth. In addition to protein, whole milk provides a good amount of calories and healthy fats, which are crucial for anyone looking to bulk up. You can drink it as is, add it to smoothies, or even use it to cook oatmeal for a double dose of nutrition. If you're lactose intolerant, lactose-free milk or plant-based alternatives fortified with protein can also be great options. Next up at number 4 are nuts and nut butter. Almonds, peanuts, cashews, and their butter are calorie-dense and packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These nutrients make nuts and nut butters an excellent snack option for anyone trying to gain weight and muscle. A handful of nuts or a couple of tablespoons of nut butter can easily add 200-300 calories to your daily intake. Plus, they're rich in essential fatty acids that support muscle recovery and overall health. Spread some nut butter on toast, add it to your smoothies, or enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack throughout the day. At number 3, we have avocados. Avocados are a fantastic food for weight gain because they're loaded with healthy fats and calories. One avocado contains over 200 calories, making it an easy way to increase your caloric intake without feeling too full. In addition to being calorie-dense, avocados are also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support muscle growth and recovery. You can add avocados to your salads, spread them on toast, or blend them into smoothies. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Coming in at number 2 is lean red meat. When it comes to building muscle, red meat is one of the best foods you can eat. It's packed with high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and creatine, all of which are vital for muscle growth and repair. Lean cuts of beef, like sirloin or tenderloin, are especially beneficial because they provide a good balance of protein and healthy fats without too much saturated fat. You can enjoy red meat as a steak, in stir-fries, or as part of a hearty stew. Just make sure to cook it to your preferred level of doneness and pair it with some veggies for a well-rounded meal. And finally, at number 1, we have oats and whole grains. Oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole grain bread are all excellent sources of complex carbohydrates, which are essential for providing your muscles with the energy they need during workouts. These whole grains are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health and muscle recovery. Oats in particular are a great breakfast option. They're filling, versatile, and can be easily customized with toppings like fruit, nuts, and honey. Whether you're making oatmeal, quinoa bowls, or whole grain sandwiches, these foods should be a staple in your muscle-building diet. So there you have it, 5 powerful foods that can help you quickly gain weight and build muscle. Remember, building muscle isn't just about what you do in the gym, it's also about how you fuel your body. By incorporating these nutrient-dense, calorie-rich foods into your diet, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to grow stronger and bigger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.